लाइव ओ एग्जैक्ट, क्योंकि आज हम घर पे वेले हैं. हाय
पार्टी के लिए जाने वाले हैं.
वरुण, झूठ मत बोलो. Varun hates going out for parties.
Also because we shouldn't be going out right now, it doesn't make sense. All the reason I got a reason कि घर बैठ.
हाँ, क्योंकि बर्थडे तो मैंने बाहर ही मनाया था, तो it was completely okay. Hi everyone, hi. क्या कर रहे हो? Oh, okay, better. Yeah, you know better. I hope everybody is fine and safe and enjoying. Varun, and enjoying the. Hi Akshita. Akshita बहुत lucky है यार. She's in Dublin and she celebrated her Christmas and now she'll be celebrating her New Year. Varun, जाओ यहाँ से. Hello. Varun, stop being annoying. Akshita also said now. बस हो गया. So yeah, guys, I wanted to tell you about the home tour video. It's coming very soon, and the house is almost ready. I'm sorry, it's been delayed.
See, I'll tell you, the house has been ready a couple of times, but Divya just feels that she can do better. So
yeah, and एक ही घर है यार. तब ज़्यादा मुझे करना है ना. Like I'm bursting out of my interior designing talents. Like थोड़ा बहुत wall तो देख ही सकते हो. That is all done by me.
मैंने किया.
What? You all know that. You all know that. Varun. Happy New Year, guys. It's only me talking. Will you talk or you just annoy me?
No, we just came live towards the end क्योंकि just ऐसे ही.
It's the year ending and this was a very bad year. And for everybody, I'm very sure, I wouldn't say, just me. For everyone, everybody has been through a very bad patch in the entire 2020. I'm just hoping at least, I don't know how the year will turn out to be, at least we can just hope and pray that we be strong enough to handle whatever happens in 2021.
I'm sure we have all learnt a lot from this year. So please apply it in 2021. And just stay safe and pray for everybody's well-being. Go message that person who you want to talk to, your friends. Don't take anybody for granted.
Yeah, this time I've only learned how much to value people around us, people who love us, who wants us to do better. And yeah, I actually have a lot of friends to take care, and they love me back. So I'm quite happy with whatever.
Varun is looking like a vampire.
I've been watching Vampire Diaries so much. I'm very sure he's looking like a vampire to me at least.
You look like a witch. Witch. W. Witch. Witch.
Just stop it, okay? No more. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Frank. I just read you. Okay. So guys, that's it, and we have just come to say that 2020 was bad and it's ending, thankfully. At least there's some hope that things will get a little better in 2021, and if not, we'll get a little stronger. And 2021 is going to be amazing for both of us because there are many things coming up, so we are pretty excited, and we already have resolutions made. What is your New Year resolution? I will tell you, working out, eating very bad diet food, like very bad. मतलब मेरे लिए diet food थोड़ा तो tasty होना चाहिए. Like मैं तो खाने के लिए जीती हूँ, but
तुम्हारा resolution क्या है?
मेरा resolution is change. It's going to be a transformation for everything. Transformation, not just body, my personality, my mind, and I'm going to train it, and I may have plans to go out and study. So there are things. Come on, you know about it.
Yeah,
don't tell me that you don't know about it.
I know about it, but you can go out and study, and I can't study anymore. I'm done with that.
I would love to just brush up my skills and
My goals
learn
are
a little
very
more
simple.
acting.
My goals are very simple. Just work. I would not wish for anything else. My goals are just.
You're just getting away with the studying part, I swear.
No. My thing is just work. Holiday will come, will go.
No, of course, I'm gonna have a lot of holidays regardless. You wanna come and join me?
I don't want to have holidays in 2021. My goals are set. I need to upgrade every day. So.
Are you sure you don't wanna come for a holiday?
No, with
Like
you.
what मतलब?
मतलब holidays will
पूरा
come and
साल
go.
तुम काम करना चाहते हो?
यार ये क्या हो रहा था?
This is so bad. See, we already started fighting over this.
मैंने बोला कि holidays will come and go, but work will continue
So
properly.
that has been my life motto since past 12 years. Tell me something new.
You know, if there's a star 16 million light years away,
Varun!
if you look at the star through a telescope, so you're actually looking into the past. That's something that you didn't know.
Okay.
And if there's a person on the star, and if he's looking at you, that's something
we
that
just
you
got a
didn't know.
very poor connection because maybe. Okay, please don't ask me that question. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाऊँगी. Like, शादी. I have so many other things to do. साथ में रह रहे हैं मतलब how much you guys want
नहीं,
यार
लोग-
इससे
लोग-
ज़्यादा और
काफी लोग फिर भी खुश नहीं. काफी लोग बोलते हैं तुम लोग साथ रह रहे हो और हमारा बेवकूफ बना रहे हो.
Are you guys serious? We have so कितना I'm tired of proving that yes, Varun is mine and Varun will never go anywhere, and Varun is also tired of proving that Divya is mine and I'm
अब तो मैं
not
हो गया
going
कि हाँ चलो बोलते रहो.
बोलते रहो. अभी we are done with it, and now that we are together, we are literally like strong forces for each other. We are going to support each other. Now that we know what we have to do, we know each other's goals. We are going to push the fuck out of us and make sure that we reach where we want to. So that is our goal. That is our goal, and we'll see. That was a very funny episode. Varun,
मैंने तो अच्छा किया है.
क्या अच्छा वो लास्ट वाला रंग दे बसंती.
मैंने बताया क्यों तो मैं उसके लिए लाइव नहीं आया पर मैंने
हाँ,
रंग दे बसंती
बोल दो मेरे लाइफ पे तो
मैंने
अपनी रोडीज की बात
मैंने
की.
रंग दे बसंती इसलिए बोला क्योंकि वहाँ पर एक माइक बना हुआ था. मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था तो
Yeah.
I said,
No, but Bollywood, you guys, let me tell you one thing. Varun might come across as a very introvert and a very shy type of a
I'm
person.
not shy anymore.
Not anymore, but yeah,
Americanized
at
is the word
times.
you're searching for.
Just shut up, no Americanized. So he is this person who is so irritating when you want to watch a Bollywood film because he knows every dialogue, every scene to scene, dialogue to dialogue, and वो dialogues रोज वरुण अपने daily life में भी use करता है. Like when we are just talking about something casual,
Yeah.
तो जा पूछ के आ and
मेरी एक टांग लगती है.
miracle and मेरी एक टांग लगी. Oh God, welcome movie तो वरुण को
ITUS इसकी टोपी उसकी सर.
Oh God.
Actually, it means International Talent of Ultimate Student. Strange. मैंने कभी ऐसे कोर्स का नाम नहीं सुना. सुनोगे भी नहीं. It's
See,
actually
he can go on, and let me tell you, this is not just with Varun. The entire Sood family is this, and it's chalta firta
You just have a
entertainment
great-
for me.
you just have a great memory.
I no.
You just have great memory.
What do you mean by that?
I mean that.
Whenever I say something, I'm not trying to, tell others that my memory isn't good. I'm very bad with memories, I swear. I'm so bad at memories. And the entire Sood family is like that. And I keep telling Akshita that, okay, you guys should start recording yourselves every day. And the show will be just exactly like Kardashians. Like, maza aayega, Varun. Think about it. This is going to be so epic.
कोई देखेगा नहीं मैं खुद ही देखूंगा.
सब देखेंगे. I am telling you, I can guarantee this. Hi Huria, Happy New Year.
लिख के दो.
Huria says
Happy New Year भाई.
Oh God, again these questions.
ये यूजर नॉट फाउंड 128 को तो मैं ब्लॉक करने वाला हूँ.
I swear, guys, please don't ask about marriage. We are very young, yaar. We want to enjoy our lives, stay together, chill, dance, eat. Varun को अभी dance करना बाकी है. He wants to learn dancing. That will take another 3-4 years, guys.
Yeah.
He says Happy New Year. So usually I'm also not a huge fan of celebrating New Year outside because I'm a person I want to sit at home, just be with myself on the new year, like think
Play video
about
games.
No, that is you. I just want to sit down and absorb whatever happened in 2020 and whichever year I sit at home and just want
Play
to
video games.
myself.
आपको आवाज आई?
हाँ
आवाज आई ना?
हाँ
चिल्ला के सबको बता दे.
देखा this is the way he acts. So thank you so much guys for the entire support.
Play video games.
Guys, this is a very bad influence. Kids don't do this. Varun, dance skills are really good. Play games. Varun, अपनी calf दे दो. What is calf?
Calf.
नहीं calf. Varun, no, Varun, you'll break. Varun, this is the live I'm going to save. तुम्हारा पैर नहीं आना चाहिए.
Calf.
Just shut up. मम्मा बोल रही है वरुण मार खाएगा.
Calf.
वरुण भैया की कौन सी आदत बहुत बुरी लगती है? एक?
बताओ.
एक?
संजना टेक्सटाइल. संजना.
नो वरुण की बहुत सी आदतें खराब है. एक आदत तो इतनी एम्बैरेसिंग है कि मैं वो नहीं बोल सकती लाइव. वरुण हैज ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड दैट.
तुम्हारी भी एक आदत बहुत एम्बैरेसिंग है जो मैं लाइफ में नहीं बोल.
अच्छा there's nothing. Okay, and Iris is nice. Iris is happy. She is in a farmhouse, in my friend's farmhouse, and we are going to shift her to a new farmhouse, and then we'll be regularly visiting her. And now we have to do her vaccination, and we have to take care of her. I love Iris. Iris is I wanted to have a horse since childhood, so yeah, here I am.
She is the rocking horse.
No. The minute Varun saw Iris, he's like the rocking horse.
अच्छा, इसमें मैं अपनी एक बहन को बैठाऊंगा और रॉकिंग हॉर्स की पेंटिंग हो जाएगी.
नहीं.
अभी घोड़ों की रेस पे गधे भी दौड़ेंगे.
Fitrat has been one great work and great song in 2020. I think Fitrat is one of my best.
What's that
songs.
one common thing which you guys love? Video games.
You just cut me right now.
Sorry.
What do you want?
You can also cut me. I'm finding scissors.
उधर है पीछे. No. YouTube video, yeah. YouTube video is going to be amazing.
मैंने एक चैलेंज दिया था that 200 या 250k तक पहुंचा दो हमारे लास्ट वीडियो को.
हाँ.
तो हम लोग हमारे पास रेडी है. हमारे पास 2 वीडियोस रेडी है.
Yeah, we have 2 videos ready. And Audrey wala video, guys, I want Audrey to put that because that's a lot about pageant and the things that happen.
But we have 2 videos ready. So if
you again cut me, Varun. You're doing that on purpose.
If you want us to upload the next video, then you guys know what to do. 200k, 250k.
Yeah. So guys, it acts like this. Like you guys have to give us love, and we'll keep giving you love with our videos.
Where is our Christmas gift?
This is your Christmas gift. We are live together. You guys have been asking about it.
सबको क्रिसमस गिफ्ट देंगे तो यार.
तुमने मुझे भी नहीं दिया अभी तक.
मैंने ऑफर किया था.
वो बहुत ज्यादा. वरुण इज सच एन एक्सट्रीम पर्सन. अगर उसको कुछ गिफ्ट देना है तो वो इतना ज्यादा आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स और इतना बड़ा होगा और इतना एक्सपेंसिव होगा. आई डोंट वांट हिम टू स्पेंड राइट नाउ. थैंक यू गाइज. आई थिंक
पीछे लोग क्या वाइब कर रहे हैं यार.
वाइब कर रहे हैं.
बीट ये है, गाना ये है, लोग यहाँ पर हैं.
आजकल सर जी बड़ा बीट वीट देख रहे हैं एंड यू गाइज विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ गिटार इन 2021. दैट आई एम वेरी श्योर. बाय वरुण, नॉट बाय मी. बाय वरुण.
Are you buying more guitars?
No, we are not buying more guitars. You already have 2 here, 2 in Delhi, and then this is fine. If you want to become a musician, then you should.
Nah, I just play for the fun of it. I like to play. I don't want to become a musician. I'm not that good.
Yes. Okay, we have something to do.
मोस्ट अनोइंग मोमेंट यार एक बात मुझे बताओ
लोगों को लगता है तुम सिर्फ annoying हो
एक बात
वरुण।
मुझे बताओ वरुण की सबसे खराब चीज क्या है वरुण की सबसे अनोइंग हैबिट क्या है वरुण क्या करता है जो ये दिव्या कुछ नहीं करती क्या दिव्या कुछ नहीं करती सब चीजें वरुण खराब कर रहा है वरुण ये क्या करता है इरिटेटिंग चीज क्या है
Ask Varun to remove his cap.
I'm not removing my cap. It's as simple as that. It's my look. It's my frat look.
Fat look.
Frat parties होती है ना
हाँ.
ऐसा
Okay.
वैसा समझी?
Best leader. See this है.
Thank you.
You're a very good leader. ये तो मैंने भी बोला हुआ है.
उनको प्यार दो यार.
Things which are coming up next in Roadies are going to be very emotional.
Yeah.
You guys must have seen Varun in the promo.
I see the reason I'm so attached to the show was because I was a guy who came on the show for the love of the show. क्योंकि शो इतना अच्छा था मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता था कि पॉपुलैरिटी और फेम मिलेगा और ये नहीं मैं उसके लिए नहीं आया था तो जब भी मैं किसी को देखता हूँ इसमें यही एक इमोशन होता है तो आई फील बैड व्हेन दे आर गोइंग और व्हेन दे परफॉर्म वेल सो या दैट्स व्हाई द इमोशन
I think it's Roadies is जब हम insiders भी थे I shared my idea about Roadies and Roadies is a very for me it's a very sacred kind of show and people should come there for the love of the show and not for getting famous or something like that. It comes with a package.
I'm saying उसकी बात famous हो गए तो हो गए but intention रखो intention ये रखो कि I want to come on the show for the love of the show.
Yeah, that should be the case.
And I'm glad कि मेरे आसपास जितने लोग थे एंड इस बार के काफी लोग रोडीज पे इसी पैशन से आए थे सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक वी गॉट सो कनेक्टेड चलो यार
Okay guys, see you all and we have lots of movies to watch and we're going to spend New Year's together.
दिख रहा है सामने शीशा है यार दिव्या सामने शीशा ओहो व्हाट्स द मोस्ट अनोइंग हैबिट ऑफ दिव्या उसमें दिमाग नहीं है
प्लीज दिख गया था शो पे सबको पता है सबको पता है ये नई चीज चालू की चलो गाइज बाय टेक केयर एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड विल सी यू इन द न्यू ईयर
बाय बाय ये एम्बैरसिंग होती है कि लाइव बंद नहीं होता है